It's estimated that around 80% of Americans have a magnesium deficiency. Could this have something to do with the uptick in chronic illness? You see, magnesium is an extremely important mineral, responsible for over 300 biochemical functions in the body. Getting sufficient amounts of this mineral from your diet can help prevent strokes, heart failure, and other serious health issues. If a magnesium deficiency puts you at a greater risk for developing these serious health conditions, then getting a sufficient amount from your food may help prevent strokes and other chronic health conditions. And it may be a good idea to get a whole lot more. Avocado. One medium avocado provides your body with 58 milligrams of magnesium. Avocados are also high in potassium, vitamin K, and B vitamins. The monounsaturated fats in avocados help keep your heart healthy and strong. Studies have shown that avocados can help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. Bananas. One large banana contains 37 milligrams of magnesium, so you'd be well on your way to adding 100 milligrams of magnesium to your diet if you chomp on one. Bananas are also full of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and fiber. As an added bonus, the potassium in bananas has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and lower blood pressure levels. Pumpkin seeds. Several different types of seeds are high in magnesium, including pumpkin seeds. Snacking on just 1/8 cup of pumpkin seeds will provide your body with 92 milligrams of magnesium. These small seeds can help energize your body, stabilize your blood pressure levels, and keep your heart healthy. Nuts. Several different types of nuts are high in magnesium. Almonds, cashews, and Brazil nuts can all help you reach your daily magnesium goals. Nuts are also a good source of fiber and monounsaturated fat. They've been shown to help improve blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Black beans. Beans, they're good for your heart, and for so many reasons. Add half cup of black beans to your meal to gain 60 milligrams of magnesium. Black beans are also a good source of protein and fiber, which can help regulate digestion. Figs. Now, this is a delicious way to get your minerals. Just half cup of figs contains 50 milligrams of magnesium. On top of that, they also contain potassium, calcium, iron, and copper. Furthermore, the antioxidants in figs help support the immune system to keep the body healthy and strong. Getting your nutrients from whole food sources is the way to go. Overconsuming magnesium supplements can lead to loose stools and abdominal cramping, among other